Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to order from multiple restaurants on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or create one if you already hadn't done that. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have your address and the search box. Also, in the bottom of the screen, we have 4 tabs. We have the home, shops, search, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and order for multiple restaurants on Foodpanda. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So what we need to do is firstly find something that we would like to go and order from. Click on pizza, for instance. Then find a restaurant that you would like to go and buy from. For instance, this one. And then what you need to do is find the meal that you would like to buy and click the plus button on there. Then automatically it will be in your cart. Then you just need to go back, find, let's see, Korean, and find another restaurant where you would like your food from. Find that restaurant, click up the plus button again, and it will again be in your cart. Then when we go back, both things will be in the top right corner here in the cart. And then you just need to go and order them, and they will be ordered to your address. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.